it's Mia, and today I'm going to be making a plum tart. We're going to start by making a crumble for the bottom of our tart. Then we're going to make our savory dough for the actual tart. Then we're going to chop up the plums and arrange them inside. Let's get going. Put 60 grams of butter, 88 grams of turbinado sugar, 70 grams cake flour, 70 grams of almond flour, 1 gram of cinnamon, and 13 grams of vanilla. Then we mix this all up. Flip that out onto a parchment lined pan and just kind of crumble it out a bit. Then we bake this at 325 for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to make the tart dough. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 111 grams of butter plus 185 grams of flour. Then I'm going to mix that together. Now we add 3 tablespoons of water with half a teaspoon of salt mixed in. Our streusel topping is done. Looks nice and crumbly. And we're gonna let that cool. Oh my goodness. You're the sweetest cat ever made. What do you got on the agenda? Packed schedule? Or just kind of a light day? No, packed. Pretty packed. Do a lot of things. Do a lot of projects. Thanks for fitting me in your schedule today. This is lovely. Alright, now we bake that for 15 minutes. I've got some nice clean plums here, and I'm going to just cut them in half. And take the pits out. I'm just going to get all my plums ready to put into the tart pan when that comes out of the oven. So we need to measure out 120 grams of the streusel that we just made. We're going to put a little bit of sugar, cinnamon on top of the plums. So we need 50 grams of sugar, along with about a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Just mix that all up. My tart shell is pre-baked. I need to sprinkle in my streusel. And then start filling up the plums. Beautiful. Looks so nice. Then we sprinkle with half the sugar at the top. We're going to bake that at 375 for 45 to 50 minutes, but I'm going to check it after 30 just to be sure. Look at that. So we need to add the other half of our cinnamon sugar to the top of this. And we're gonna let that cool. These are beautiful plum tart. Should we have a piece? Oops. Let's try it. That is delicious. Really nice. 9 out of 10 stars. Very good. I like that the crumble, the streusel, soaks up all the moisture that comes out of the plums and creates like a, I don't know, like a gooey, makes a nice summery tart. I like it. Very good. Today was so fun. I love making tarts. It's my new favorite thing in the whole world. And I will see you next time when we whisk up something else. Bye, buddy.